Welcome to One Shot.
The costs incurred by flushing soft serve mix through the machine as part of a sanitizing process is a hidden operational cost that accumulates over the lifetime of a soft serve machine. Believe it or not, these costs directly impact your overall profitability. System One Shot has the Smart Container, allowing you to dispense the consumable directly from the Smart Container itself. These are pre-packed by licensed manufacturers to exacting hygiene standards, maintaining perfect product integrity until served. And because the consumable never comes into contact with the dispenser, there is absolutely no sanitizing required. The sanitizing nightmares are over.